Well, outrage over a landmark decision leading to protests late into the night. As you can see, hundreds showed up at the Rhode Island State House tonight, one of many protests happening across the country at this hour following the Supreme Court's decision overturning Roe v. Wade, the ruling that for a half-century has guaranteed women a federal right to an abortion. 12 News reporter Amanda Pitts joins us live from the State House with the sights and sound from tonight's rally. Amanda?
Well, Shannon, as you said, hundreds took to the State House tonight to take a stand and say Rhode Islanders support the right to an abortion. They also urged the General Assembly to pass a bill that would allow state funding for the procedure.
It's almost like living in The Handmaid's Tale.
Hundreds took to the State House steps Friday night to rally against the U.S. Supreme Court's decision to overturn Roe v. Wade.
Showing up to show that lawmakers in the Supreme Court that we're not going to take this lying down and we're going to make noise.
And make noise they did. Abortion rights activists not only expressed their anger about the decision that rolls back a woman's right to an abortion for a large portion of the country, but also called on Rhode Island's General Assembly to pass the Equality in Abortion Coverage Act, which would repeal a current ban on taxpayer-funded abortions in the state. The General Assembly ended its legislative session without taking it up.
They have let us down because they have not protected our freedom.
The right to an abortion was enshrined in Rhode Island in the 2019 Reproductive Privacy Act, which was upheld by the Rhode Island Supreme Court last month. But some fear the future.
It makes me feel better, but at the same time, anything can happen. I mean, it can change in an instant.
Others remember pre-Roe times and say they can't believe this is happening in 2022.
So just years before that, I had friends who were going for illegal abortions and, you know, close to death. It's just horrible. And it's health care. I truly believe it's health care. And I'm sick that we're here again.
Now, in the last hour of the rally, a fight did break out in the crowd after some counter-protesters arrived. We are still waiting to learn details from police about what exactly happened. Live in Providence, Amanda Pitts, 12 News.